Besides Kerala, early monsoon has also advanced into the Lakshadweep area, the South Arabian Sea, parts of the West Central as well as East Central Arabian Sea and some parts of the state of Karnataka and Maharashtra too. Many parts of Tamil Nadu and the southwest and east central Bay of Bengal along with parts of Mizoram and the North Bay of Bengal is also witnessing early monsoon rains. Monsoon in fact also arrived in the state of Maharashtra on Sunday, 10 days earlier than its official arrival day, marking one of the earliest onset of monsoon for the state. Heavy rainfall across Maharashtra has led to severe waterlogging on the Pune-Solapur highway. Videos have gone viral showing several cars being swept away due to floods on the highway. NDRF has deployed several teams for flood rescue operations in Pune-Solapur districts. 7 people reportedly trapped in Baramati and 2 in Indapur. These are the visuals that we got for you from Wadala. You can see the traffic trying to move through the inundated water. These are people on the roads in Solapur. You can see the cars completely submerged underwater. These are the visuals coming in from Pune. You can see what's the condition of the road at the moment. Severe flooding there on the roads, damaging it completely. We've been given to understand that the NDRF has deployed several teams for the rescue operation. This is from the Mumbai. Now, monsoon is expected to hit Mumbai on May 28th as well, as against the official date of June 11th. Now, if this happens, it will be the earliest onset of monsoon for the city till date. This year, Mumbai has already received more than the average of the rainfall they were expecting for the month of May. These are the visuals coming in from Satara. Back to the visuals coming in from different parts of Mumbai. Traffic trying to pass the water logging. This is specifically from the JJ flyover. The night visuals coming in from Mumbai. Conditions remain persistent for the Mumbaikars as they try to battle the early monsoon in the city. These are completely the unseasonal rain that we are speaking about 10 days prior to the official time which was expected for the arrival of the monsoon. Rain alert for several parts of Maharashtra. Yellow alert has specifically been given for the city of Mumbai. Remember, like we said, the arrival of monsoon was expected for June 11th for the state of Maharashtra, specifically for Mumbai. But look at the visuals coming in on your screens. These are from Mumbai as well as Pune. On the left side of your screens, you can see the rains in Mumbai, and on the right side of your screen, you are looking at the visuals of rain and flooding damaging the main road in Pune. This certainly has given them the respite from the scorching heat. Of course, the heat wave was also here. But the early arrival of monsoon does speak a lot about the weather conditions and how quickly they are changing every year. On the right side of your screen, you are looking at the Solapur highway visuals coming in. You can see the cars submerged in the water, while the another one is on move, from which man is recording the video. The taxi drivers also suffering on the roads in Mumbai, specifically at the JJ flyover. These are the visuals coming in from there. Now let's quickly shift focus to the southern parts as well. Chennai and several parts of Tamil Nadu are bracing for a spell of wet weather too. IMD has also issued a red alert for the state of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, warning against extremely heavy rainfall on Monday. These are the visuals coming in from Mangaluru. The weather agency warned against extremely heavy precipitation in Tamil Nadu on Monday, accompanied by thunderstorm, lightning and gusty winds reaching from 40 to around 50 kilometers per hour. Heavy downpours are now expected until May 29th in these parts. The Nilgiri and Coimbatore districts are also under alert for extremely heavy rain, thunderstorms, lightning and also squalls. Shifting focus to Odisha as well, an orange warning associated with moderate rain, thunderstorm and lightning has been issued for Koraput, Navarangpur, Rayagad, Kandamal, Kalahandi, Nuapada, Bolangir, Ganjam, Gajapati, Puri, Khordha, Jajpur, Dhenkanal, Kendrapada, Bargad, Jagat Singhpur districts of Odisha. These are the visuals coming in on your screens from Puri. Koraput district has till now recorded its highest rainfall in the last 24 years according to the Met Department. Bhubaneswar in fact also witnessed light rainfall as pre-monsoon showers continued across the state of Odisha. Now we are taking you to the state of Gujarat as well. These are the visuals coming up from Nadiad, and orange warning associated in fact with moderate thunderstorm and lightning has been issued for Navsari and Valsad too. Several districts of Gujarat are likely to receive light to heavy rainfall till May 30th. Along with the rainfall, these regions are also expected to witness thunderstorm and gusty winds too. These are the visuals from one of the districts of Gujarat, Nadiad. Extremely rare for a state like Gujarat. A couple of days ago only we were speaking about the heat wave, specifically for the states like Rajasthan and Gujarat, how it's crossing the limits and the records. Now look at the visuals on your screen. Just within days, the entire weather has changed for several parts of the country. Again going back to Mumbai. Apart from the southern states, of course, as well as Odisha, the entire Saurashtra has seen the early arrival of monsoon, which is extremely rare in that part of the country. June was the probable month for having the spells of rain, but look at the visuals on your screen. What exactly is happening in different states of the country.